This is a very short video and it will be about how to personalize your account. To personalize your account, simply click on your name in the upper right side of the screen. Click My Profile. Here you can change your contact details like your username and email and your password. I made this video not because it'll be a short one, but because it's extremely important. Only change your email if necessary. So here's the why. After you purchase TV Boss Fire, the system will automatically create your login information, and for you, your username and your email are directly connected to your purchase email. If you've purchased an unlimited channel license, for example, which is subscription based, and you change your login email inside of your profile, the system may not recognize your account and may disable it. So again, it's extremely important. Please change your email only if necessary. And that's all. I said at the beginning it will be a very short video. See you in the next one.